Why did you choose Vietnam to open your Arabic and Pakistani restaurant?
This is not a Muslim country, and then the food, halal food, is important for the Muslims, business travelers, tourists. So I take advantage because I'm Muslim. So my plan was since 2005 to develop a halal food in Vietnam. So I opened 2012, opened a halal food restaurant in Hanoi. So where the Muslim live confidently, they can eat halal food and they have no difficulties to find halal food.
So, what do you think about the business and legal environment in Vietnam for Halal restaurants now and in the future?
At presently, the government is also very supporting to the develop about halal F&B. The government have a very flexible option for the people in the industry to open a halal business in Vietnam. To give them many facilities. So this is a good time to develop through the halal business investment. The future is very bright because the government focus now the Muslim travelers more and more come to Vietnam. So the future of halal food is I think very bright, especially for the restaurant and the Vietnamese product for the export. Because Vietnam is potential country, there's so many agriculture products, dairy products. So Vietnam, even cosmetics, Vietnam can export to the Muslim country. So future is very good. Just the Vietnamese people, they need a awareness about how to proceed halal.
Okay, now we are extending the subject. And what are the main costs to consider when opening an Arabic and Pakistani restaurant in Vietnam?
The cost is depend on your target market and what your level of restaurant you want to open. There is a two level of restaurant. One is a simple and like a short menu restaurant, and then you're not looking for the big group serving. So that restaurant is you can open in Vietnam with the minimum budget around 30 to 40,000 dollars is the minimum budget to open a small level restaurant because they're including the legal procedure, open a company, the staff visa, so many fee including, and the renting place. Here the people owners the mostly they ask you the rent 6 month or 3 month rent advance, deposit 3 months. So all calculation is around 30 to 40,000 dollars minimum. And the second level, the more high standard restaurant with 100 people or 150 people serving with a large menu. That is of course it's a need more budget. It must be around 200,000 dollar is I think sufficient to open a that level restaurant.
Okay, thank you for very specific numbers that you just give us. And I have another question for you. Are restaurant operating costs in Vietnam better than in other countries?
Yes, because some other developed countries like Thailand, I'll give you example, they have a Muslim area,
Yeah.
like Arabic street, there's many Muslim restaurants and people when they travel to Thailand, they're very confident, easy to find halal. Vietnam is now developing. The Vietnam is developing and here very limited source of halal. So I think this Vietnam is better than Thailand at this situation because the easy to develop the business halal and the people will travel more to Vietnam is help to the develop the economy also.
So you mean that is a new trend?
New trend, yes.
Very, very promising.
Yes.
What do your restaurant ingredients come from?
Uh, Mostly ingredients are import from Pakistan because the ingredients we use for our keep our authentic taste, Vietnam we cannot find.
Okay.
So few things we can find because Vietnam is agriculture country. Some product, some like a black pepper, cinnamon, black cardamom, Vietnam export. So we use from Vietnam, but our special spice we import from Pakistan.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Is it easy to find halal ingredient in Vietnam?
It's not easy, very hard because if we use authentic flavor like a keep a taste, so we must have to use our own imported spice.
Okay, understand. So do you think Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City are good markets for Arabic or halal restaurant?
Not only Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. At this time, I know the target market. Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh, of course, is a big city. It's already very good target market for the Muslim travelers. But there is a Da Nang, Nha Trang, and also Sapa, Ninding, especially Sapa Ninding halal food restaurant very limited. There is not many options. So I'm also expanding my restaurant to Sapa and Nimbing in the north. But Da Nang, Nha Trang is also a big market for the Muslim travelers.
Inshallah,
Yes,
inshallah. So, do Vietnamese people enjoy halal food, Arabic food, and Pakistan food and culture?
Yes. Um, my purpose was to introduce Vietnamese about halal. So I'm successful 50%. I have introduced Vietnamese about halal food. So now they come here to eat and they're very happy with the flavor, with the quality of the food, and they enjoy.
I'm happy too. What advice do you have for people who want to open a restaurant in Vietnam?
The people want to open a restaurant in Vietnam. First, they need to visit here and target their market, and they see the market number of the Muslim travelers. But again, I will say halal food not for only Muslim. This for everybody because it's clean, hygienically healthy. So the everybody can enjoy. Only the main thing is for the Western, not much interested because we in halal restaurant we don't serve any alcohol and all halal meat and non-alcoholic drink.
Yes.
So the Western, the other countries people they get used with the eating with the alcohol. So they might be the not too much interest to take that halal food. But for the especially for the Muslim, I think it's very good. People need to come more here, invest here, open a more restaurant. So that will be develop the halal standard in Vietnam F&B. Vietnam economy will develop, and the people will also grow.
Of course, thank you, sir. And do you plan to open more restaurants and open more branches in Vietnam in the future?
Yes, it's my plan because my as I told you, my target from 2005, and I opened first shop in 2012. From that until now, the naan kebab is my brand. Is alhamdulillah already very like a well known, and I also open a halal banh mi because I study market. There's many halal pho, but I don't want to open the pho because I want something different.
Okay.
So I introduced banh mi, but with the Arabic and Pakistani flavor.
Okay,
It's
understand.
very different. So I'm planning to expand banh mi and naan and kebab together. So this is my plan. As I told you, I want to expand to Ho Chi Minh, Da Nang, Nha Trang, Sapa, Ninh Bình, all tourist place. I will open.
And even you can do a franchise for anyone who coming here and want to open a company.
Yeah, franchise also fine. I can offer a franchise, and I also provide a consulting service to set up a restaurant from design to the service. Like we provide the design, we set up the kitchen, equipment, we provide a Muslim chef, Muslim material, ingredient, everything we supply.
And
So these actually we can consult them, introduce them legal some companies, but for my job is F&B, so from design to the operation, I can help everything like a setup kitchen, Muslim chef, halal material, meat, chicken, beef, lamb, ingredient, everything I can provide.
Wow, it's almost from zero to T.
Yes.
Thank you for your sharing.
Yeah, welcome.
It's
Thank you.
very deeply for
Yes,
us.
thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time, sir.
Yeah.
And thank you for your
Please
visit.
enjoy food.
Please enjoy with us.